Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just open up the Chrome browser if it's not already open, and then select the setting icon at the top right corner of the browser screen, and then you want to go ahead and select settings. Scroll down near the bottom of this page and select Advanced, just left click on it one time, and then go down further until you get to Reset and Cleanup. Restore settings to their original defaults, go ahead and click on that, and you can see that it says that this action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, and then delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected, and then you can allow Chrome to be better by reporting the current settings. You don't have to, I just usually uncheck that. And then I'm going to select reset settings, give it a moment here, close out of here, and then once you relaunch the Chrome browser, that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.